Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change axis speed warn method on your Suzuki. So I am on the Suzuki e-Vitara. Now what you guys want to do here is go over into the settings, go to ADAS, and from ADAS, what are we going to do is we're going to go to the TSR. Now, once we are in TSR, let me just click it again to quickly go here. Here we have the axis speed warn method. Now we can change it from visual only. We can change it to both visual and audible. Now, you can also change it to no notification, so you will have no notification at all about it. And here we also have the speed limit update notification that we can enable. So here, for example, if you just want, you can do the visual only. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.